Welcome to my channel. Netgear Orbi RBK50 installation and setup boost Wi-Fi coverage. 1. Unbox and place. Unbox the Orbi router and satellite. Place the router close to your modem, and set the satellite in a central location of your home for the best Wi-Fi coverage. 2. Power up router. Plug in the router and turn it on. Wait for the light to start blinking white. 3. Connect to modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the Orbi router to your modem. Just plug it in, no complicated steps. 4. Power up satellite. Plug in the satellite and wait for its light to blink white too. 5. Download Orbi app. Grab your phone and download the Netgear Orbi app. It's free and quick. 6. Open app and login. Open the app and log in with your Netgear account, or create one if you don't have it yet. 7. Follow setup instructions. Follow the instructions in the app. It walks you through connecting to Wi-Fi and naming your network. 8. Sync satellite. Press the sync button on your satellite until the LED turns solid blue. That means it's connected properly. 9. Set Wi-Fi name and password. Pick a Wi-Fi name and password you'll remember. The app makes it easy, no guesswork. 10. Test connection. Walk around your house and check that your Wi-Fi signal is strong everywhere. The app can even show all connected devices. 11. Optional. Update firmware. If the app asks, update your firmware. It only takes a few minutes and keeps your system running smoothly. Final check. Make sure everything is working, the router, satellite, and all your devices. Thank you for watching.